historical significance as well. In fact, there are figurines of Hindu deities among some of those artifacts which have been returned. Some of them belong to Hinduism, some to Buddhism, some to Jainism. Cultural significance is huge, and a lot of effort, in fact, went into orchestrating that. So a huge achievement that, as well as being expressed by some of those BJP supporters and workers. You can see Prime Minister Modi, of course, now getting down from his vehicle, because in order to greet those BJP supporters, workers who have gathered at the airport to felicitate Prime Minister Narendra Modi after his landmark visit to the United States. You can see JP Nadda over there, front of row, as far as the BJP leaders are concerned, welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi from his visit to the United States. There are other BJP leaders who've gathered over there. Jay Panda, their Vice President of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Tarun Chugh. These are some of the leaders who've in fact gathered over here at the Palam Technical Area. Delhi BJP President as well, welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he, of course, lands in India after his historic and significant, truly significant visit to the United States. Several key pointers and takeaways from that visit, which will, of course, be analyzed for its big takeaways, which will be written about for its takeaways for a very, very long time to come. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is still live with me from outside the Palam Technical Area. It looks like, of course, Shreya, that the Prime Minister will be addressing the BJP workers over there. They, of course, gathered over there in order to celebrate this moment, because for them, the huge achievement, of course, is one of those is the return of the 157 artifacts by the United States. Shreya.
मैं माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी से स्वागत है भाई, स्वागत है.
Who have actually gone away from me is because they are busy catching a glimpse of the Prime Minister, and I'm being told he's already at this stage, the stage which has been prepared for the felicitation program.
That's right.
JP Nadda is also there, and probably he will be addressing the BJP workers. Quick glimpse of the visuals. You can see everyone is right now waiting over there to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. They are all waiting and looking towards the stage, the felicitation stage. If I could tell my camera person a little bit, if he could show you that stage where the Prime Minister, I'm being told, is right now there. Yes, you can see him over there. He's at the stage. He's waving at the BJP workers from that stage, and people are very excited, clearly, to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, who has come back from the US after the first in-person Quad summit. He's there at the stage. He's currently on the stage where he's waving at the BJP supporters and workers who are here at the Palam Technical Airport. And we definitely, he might just address the workers, because JP Nadda is right now at the mix stand. He'll probably make the address first, and probably after then the Prime Minister might say some few words.
Right. Let's listen in to JP Nadda, who is